In this video, we will have an in-depth comparison between Atlas VPN and Proton VPN. We will discuss their features, user experiences, diving into pricing structures, weighing its pros and cons, exploring alternative options, and delving into other relevant services. Enjoy fast, secure, and hassle-free internet surfing with Atlas VPN, your paramount ally in online protection. Download now. Link is in the description box below. With that in mind, let's get started. Overview. Atlas VPN and Proton VPN are two well-regarded players in the virtual private network industry, providing users secure and private access to the internet. Atlas VPN is recognized for its user-friendly interface and affordability, while Proton VPN is celebrated for its high security measures and transparency. Features. Atlas VPN. Number 1. Strict no logs policy. Atlas VPN does not keep records of users' online activities, ensuring privacy. Number 2. Data encryption. Implements AES 256 encryption, providing a high level of security for data transfer. Number 3. Multiple device support. Supports simultaneous connections on multiple devices, allowing flexibility for users. Number 4. Server locations. With servers in over 30 countries, users have a variety of options for connecting to the internet. Number 5. Fast connection speeds. Provide speedy connections, which are crucial for streaming and downloading. Number 6. IP address masking. Hides users' real IP addresses, enhancing privacy and anonymity online. Number 7. Safe swap. Offers multiple rotating IP addresses while maintaining a consistent connection. Number 8. User-friendly interface. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users of all technical levels. Proton VPN. Number 1. Secure core architecture. Routes users' connections through multiple servers, adding an extra layer of security and privacy. Number 2. Perfect forward secrecy. Ensures that encrypted traffic cannot be captured and decrypted later. Number 3. Strict no logs policy. Like Atlas, Proton VPN does not log user activity, maintaining user confidentiality. Number 4. Platform support. Available for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS, it's versatile across different operating systems. Number 5. Access to geo-block content. Proton VPN allows users to access content that may be restricted in certain geographical areas. Number 6. Tor over VPN. Users can route traffic to the Tor network within the VPN connection, maximizing anonymity. Number 7. High-speed connections. Offers fast and reliable connection speeds for smooth online experiences. Number 8. DNS leak protection. Prevents DNS requests from being exposed to internet service providers, safeguarding users' privacy. User experiences. Users of Atlas VPN appreciate its straightforward setup, responsive customer support, and reliable performance. However, some mention limitations in server selections. Proton VPN users applaud the service for its security focus and the ability to bypass content restrictions, though some find its pricing tiers a bit confusing. Pricing. Atlas VPN. Atlas VPN presents a simple and straightforward pricing model designed for a variety of users. Free plan. Atlas VPN offers a free version, allowing users to access its basic VPN services without any financial commitment. This plan is beneficial for users who want to test the service before deciding to purchase. Premium plan. Monthly subscription. The monthly subscription is priced at $9.99. It provides all premium features without any long-term commitment. Annual subscription. For users willing to commit for a year, the annual plan is available at approximately $29.88 per year, effectively costing $2.49 per month. 3-year subscription. For the most significant savings, users can offer the 3-year plan at around $49.99, translating to about $1.39 per month. This plan offers the best value for money. Premium plans unlock additional features such as safe browsing, more server locations, faster connection speeds, and 24/7 customer support. Proton VPN. Proton VPN has a more tiered pricing approach, providing different plans to cater to various user needs. Free plan. The free plan covers basic protection for one device with servers in 3 countries. It is a good option for trying out the service. Basic plan. Priced at $4 per month or $48 annually, this plan offers access to servers in all countries, 2 simultaneous connections, and higher speeds than the free version. Plus plan. At $8 per month or $96 annually, the Plus plan includes all basic features plus up to 5 devices, the highest speed, access to blocked content, and advanced security options. Visionary plan. The premium offering is priced at $24 per month or $288 annually. It encompasses all the features of the Plus plan and includes a Proton Mail Visionary account supporting up to 10 devices. Pros and cons. For Atlas VPN, let's talk about the good stuff first. With plans starting at just $1.39 a month. It's also pretty straightforward to use even if you're not a tech whiz. If you're concerned about privacy, Atlas VPN keeps your browsing to yourself as it doesn't keep track of what you're doing online. Plus, you can try it for free to see if it's your cup of tea. It's quick, so you can watch and download stuff online without any irritating slowdowns. The safe swap feature is like having an online disguise that keeps changing, keeping your identity safe and hidden. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Atlas VPN has servers in 30 countries, which might sound a lot, but some other services offer more. While it does the basic stuff well, it doesn't have some of the fancy features that tech experts might want. Also, it's somewhat of a newcomer to the VPN scene, so it doesn't have the long history of wide user base that some established names have. Now, looking at Proton VPN. On the upside, it offers top-notch security, ensuring your online activities are well protected. If there's content blocked in your country, Proton VPN helps you access it. It works on different devices and operating systems, making it a flexible choice. Like Atlas, it won't record your online activities, ensuring that what you do online stays online. Plus, it has a feature that provides an extra layer of anonymity by routing traffic through the Tor network, making it even harder to trace. It's also created by the folks who made Proton Mail, so it has a solid reputation in the privacy community. On the downside, Proton VPN is a bit pricier than Atlas VPN and other services, especially if you're looking at the premium plans. If you're new to VPNs, it might take a little time to learn how to use all of its features. There's a free version available. It's pretty limited, so you might find yourself needing to upgrade to a paid plan to get the functionality you want. Alternatives. Numerous alternatives exist in the VPN market, like ExpressVPN, known for its speed, NordVPN for its security measures, and CyberGhost for its ease of use. When selecting an alternative, users should consider their specific needs, such as level of privacy, speed, price, and the number of server locations offered. In conclusion, while both Atlas VPN and Proton VPN offer reliable services, your choice should align with your priorities. If you need a simple, affordable solution, Atlas VPN is suitable. However, if your focus is on advanced security and larger server network, Proton VPN may be the better option. Always consider trying the free versions first to gauge which service meets your requirements best. Experience fast, secure, and hassle-free internet surfing with Atlas VPN, your paramount ally for online protection. Download now. Link is in the description box. And there you have it, an in-depth comparison between Atlas VPN and Proton VPN. Which VPN provider are you going to go for? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.